Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a sleek and polished brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in a secure community in BF Homes, Paranaque City. So this property has a lot area of 204 square meters and a combined floor area of approximately 267 square meters across 3 levels. Now let's go! The first thing you notice is its impactful and modern facade. Through the pedestrian gate, you have a completely tiled parking area for 3 vehicles. Let's go! I like the wooden design for the ceiling here, giving it a very cool and relaxed feel. You have access here towards the kitchen area, towards the staff room, and you also have an additional storage room on this side. Okay, let's go. You can walk around the house through this side. And this entire area is tiled all the way to the back of the house. And you immediately notice this well-designed, beautiful main door. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You're welcomed by an open concept plan for your living and dining space. So what I saw when I came in here is immediately so much natural light. This is one large floor-to-ceiling window and then 2 sliding doors on these sides. Now from the other side, you see that this is your living space. And I like how the design of the main door aligns with the vertical cladding design for the wall on this side. So you can have your furniture here and then you can have your dining table on this side. You already have a split type air conditioning unit right here. And if you want further ventilation and maybe even an additional area, you can walk out here. And utilize this space. You can potentially have a couple of chairs here. And also if you have pets who like to run around, you also have a lot of space. Okay? And I like how well landscaped the entire area is, even with the bamboo plants on this side. Now, from your dining area, you see that you have cove lighting at the ceiling space to show the delineation between the 2 areas. So this area is for the living space, this is for the dining area. You have a provision here for a light fixture depending on how you want to design your space, especially if you're getting your own interior designer for choosing your furniture. Okay? Now from your dining space, you have your open kitchen. Now, I like how modern and clean the entire area looks, especially the choice for the cabinetry. You have this white laminate design here, and you have your Elba oven already built into the design, as well as an LG refrigerator. Everything, like I said, looks very sleek, and you already have your cooktop here and range hood as well. Okay? And then on this side, you have the first room in the house. It's a corner room, very well lit. This can be maximized as a home office, a room for a senior member in the family, and it already has a Daikin's inverter split type air conditioning unit and additional storage as well. You can have your bed here. There's a provision already here for cable, for your television set, and it has its own bathroom. And I like how modern it looks, especially with that circular mirror. And they made sure to even have indirect lighting for the ceiling. And another great aspect here is you have fast access from the parking area directly towards your kitchen. And that's important, especially if you have a lot of groceries. You don't want them passing through the main living and dining areas, especially if you have guests. So, checking it out here. Once again, access towards your parking area. And let's take a quick look at your staff area, okay? And this is one of the great features of this house. Usually for a lot of brand new homes, washer, dryer isn't included, but for this particular property, this is already included, and there's a designated laundry space already with additional storage space. And this is where you have your staff room also, which has its own bathroom. Of course, you won't go in because we still have some materials inside, but in terms of access, this is very well planned. And on this side, you have the bathroom of the staff quarters also, and then an additional utility space. And then if we take a look on this side, you have your water cistern here. And then what I like about this space is it's very hidden away. You can have this space as the area where you hang your clothes. So that has complete privacy. There's no way for it to be seen from the other parts of the house. Okay? And let's walk around. Back to the main living space. And then on this side, you have your powder room. And talk about a conversation piece. Just the choice of the type of tile that they used and the indirect lighting for your oval-shaped mirror. This is a very elegant looking powder room. You even have a provision here if you want to add your own flair and have a different light fixture added. Okay? And then of course, you have your staircase leading to the next level. And I just want to point out how sturdy the feel is of the staircase railing and even how thick the tempered glass is right here. Okay, let's head on up. Welcome to the second level hallway, where we're going to take a look at the second room in the house, the primary bedroom. Let's go. Before we enter, I just want to point out the door heights, which gives each room a feeling of more space. So your primary bedroom is a corner room, quite spacious. You have cove lighting, space enough for a king-sized bed. On the other side, this is where you can have your television set, and this is where you can have your air conditioning unit. And then right here, you have a sliding door leading to your walk-in closet space. And I like that they made sure to make this a glass sliding door, because that gives the separation, but it still gives you a feeling that it's such a large room. Here we are. And then you have so much storage all throughout. And even on the other side, you have a dresser space. And what I like is they still have another air conditioning unit just for this area. And of course, you have your bathroom space. I'm gonna walk in so you see the size. Of course, a much larger mirror here. You have a single sink here and then plenty of counter space. And then a large shower area. And very conveniently placed here on the other side is an additional area where you can have like an additional storage space. And on this side, to maximize the space, there's even an additional storage room. So this can be a linen closet. It's up to you how you want to maximize it. You know, another idea is if you want to maximize the walk-in closet space and you just want to make it like a lounge space, you could potentially remove all of the cabinets there and make that like a TV area, an entertainment space, and then just use this as your walk-in closet since it's right beside the master bedroom. But that's just an idea. Okay, so right here we have your third bedroom. Once again, it's a corner room. Of course, very well lit. The front of the house is facing west. You have a split type air conditioning unit. Nice ceiling height with cove lighting once again. See how close the door height is to the ceiling already. This is also excellent, especially if you have large furniture that you're bringing through the door. Third bedroom has its own bathroom, which has a different aesthetic in terms of the color. This is much lighter. But in terms of the size, it's almost identical in terms of the feel to the master bedroom bathroom. The master bedroom bathroom is just slightly larger also, but the elegance is consistent right here. Okay, and there's even an additional window here. That adds actually to the facade of the house, but at the same time having the functionality of giving you additional lighting for your bathroom. You could even consider this like an in-law suite, meaning if you have a child who just got married and you'd like to stay together, you have space here and additional walk-in closet space right here. So I think one of the hallmarks of this property already is that there's a clear separation between the walk-in closet spaces and the bathrooms. Okay, so as of now, we've taken a look at 3 bedrooms and then 1 storage room for this property. 1 in the ground floor, 2 in the second floor, and now we're going to take a look at the 3rd level where we have your 4th room. Let's go. I'm loving the finish of this property, how well made every part of the house is, and even the details of having this wooden cladding design for the wall right here gives a lot of character, gives that very polished feel for the home. And right here you have your 4th room. And it's quite spacious. There is potential for this room to be a master bedroom if you'd like because of the size. There's plenty of storage space right here. Of course, you have that elevation. This property is already very near Alabang. You can actually see some of the buildings in the Madrigal Business Park area from here. And then on this side you have, and here we have your ensuite bathroom. This has a different color scheme from the last bathroom of the 3rd bedroom. This has a darker theme, but it still has that great contrast with the lighter tile for the flooring. Okay. And of course, as an additional amenity, having a third level, the designer of the home included a balcony space right here. I'm standing here so you can see the size. This is perfect for having a table and a couple of chairs. Just a nice relaxation nook, especially in the evenings, and in the mornings the sun is on the other side. So this is also a great potential outdoor quick workout space for one person. And you also have a great view of the neighborhood. Of course, you can show that for the privacy of your neighbors, but this is a very safe, secure, pet-friendly, family-friendly environment. Okay, let's head on in. And that wraps up our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.